Hello everyone, this is your weather on the fly outlook and discussion for Monday, March 24th, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 4 to 8. Valid for Thursday, March 27th through Monday, March 31st, 2025. Medium-range global models have come into reasonable agreement with respect to the most recent run, signaling toward heightened severe risk over the upcoming weekend across central portions of the country. Locally strong storms will be possible across a rather broad portion of the central U.S., from the upper Midwest to the southern plains Thursday, and the plains into the Ohio Valley Friday. This will occur as a weak slow-moving southern stream trough moves slowly east-northeastward across this region. Somewhat limit risk over a broad geographic area, precludes introduction of any 15% delineation risk areas for either of these 2 days. Meanwhile, the primary synoptic pattern, even early in the period, favors a persistently surface low and trough over the high plains. This will allow southerly low-level flow to evolve and expand across almost all of the central and eastern portions of the country, as a warm front shifts northward into the northern U.S. By early Saturday, high falls associated with a strengthening trough moving across the Intermountain West should begin to spread into the plains, with the trough itself currently expected to reach the high plains. This will result in an eastward advance of a surface low front out of the high plains and across the central plains states through the evening and overnight. With a moistening prefrontal boundary layer ahead of the advancing system and increasing flow aloft, the overall setup will favor increasing severe potential, with all hazards possible. On Sunday, eastward advance of the synoptic scale features will continue, along with some continued strengthening, with continued moistening of the prefrontal warm sector supporting afternoon destabilization, along with increasing deep layer flow. A broad area of severe risk seems likely to evolve, centered over the mid and lower Mississippi, lower Ohio, and Tennessee valleys, with again, all severe weather hazards would be possible. On Monday, the primary focus for convective potential will shift east of the Appalachians. Here, weaker low-level moisture, and thus less robust destabilization potential, is expected at this time. Therefore, while severe risk may evolve, thermodynamic uncertainty precludes initiation of a risk area for Monday. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.